Well, one of our winter projects is getting the scary cabin crap shack cleaned up, so I'm just going to clean it up a little bit. Just got to get this mess sorted out. This is all of our, most of our stuff out of storage. We still got the storage unit left that, goose, that we got to get cleaned out, but we can't do that until we get this cleaned out and the shed up there cleaned out. And so let's have fun. Yeah, I know it just seems like I'm kind of moving stuff around, but I got over here two tool cabinets that I need to bring over here so I can line stuff up against that wall. We just need to kind of create some sort of organization, really, for all the boxes, so we know where stuff is, you know, kitchen, living room, bathroom, whatever it is. And you know, we really brought too much stuff with us. We didn't know what we were getting ourselves into. It's kind of funny when you look back on it. We're just like, holy crap, we downsized so much. And we're like, yeah, okay, we'll need this, we'll need that. No. If you guys are ever doing this and going off grid, when you think you've downsized enough, go through it again. Take the extra time to go through it a couple times and just really think about what you're taking and what you need and what you don't need. It's been a hassle. We got stuff here that we don't need. So much. It's funny. Maybe I'll get to it and show you guys what's some of the stuff that we brought with us that we really don't need. Okay, I gotta get back to work. Good boy. Hey, look at me. Wait. Focus. Good boy. That's a good boy, Goose. That's the temperature in the crab shack right now. That's the temperature outside right now. Good with this side. It opens it up a little bit. Oh, this here, I don't know. I have no idea what to do with all this stuff. Yeah, I need to get Tony up here. She really needs to help me with this part. Look who I got. Wave to the camera. Down and grabbed her by the hair and drug her up here.
Caveman style.
That's right.
Get to work, woman. So this is what happens when you're excited. Well, we were excited to move into the new cabin, the shed to cabin that we're doing, and get out of here. We left a lot of stuff up here, and that's what we're doing. I'm sure Stuart already told you. We're organizing stuff. What?
Scratch my face.
No, you weren't. It's on video.
Still 40 degrees in here. You chilling
It's
with
cold
the homies?
in here. Cold up in here.
Now. Those pots can stay down there, okay. They can stay up there, it's fine, but they go over there.
Okay, fine. Mr. Boss Man. Jeez.
I'm just... Goose, look.
He's bossy. Is it really 40 in here?
No, that's lying.
You're mean. So awesome that we're not living in here this winter.
What's that?
Probably rat urine.
Is that a hairball?
Oh yeah, I bet you it's a hairball. You jackass!
Alright, so we're back in the scary cabin today, and so yesterday we got all those boxes moved out of the way. The cabinets put over here. We got this area cleaned up a little bit. Well, it's a hell of a lot cleaner than it was. So today for the agenda, I'm gonna get rid of that sink. That was easy, wasn't it? All right. All right, we got all that taken care of. The sink taken out of here, and table moved, and saw moved over.
I was gonna say. Hope you guys like the video. Please give us a thumbs up.
Like, subscribe, comment.
Check us out on Facebook.
Check us out on Facebook.
Breaking Free Off Grid and Shed the
Breaking
Cabin.
Free Off Grid and Shed the Cabin. You're forgetting one.
What am I forgetting?
Instagram.
Yeah, we're on Instagram too. Okay, bye.
Bye. Peace.